Today's project is getting through a maze, and the maze is somewhat based on the micromouse competition. Eventually, we want a very robust algorithm to get through it, but for today, we're going to use the left-hand rule. And what we're going to do is we're going to start out by building on the gridrunner project, which was the last project, where we were able to take our robot and be able to run on this grid of lines, giving it commands like turn left or go straight or drive to the next crossroad. So building on that, we're going to add the rangefinder, which are what appears to be eyes. They're actually ears, and they send out a pulse of ultrasonic sound like radar, and when it reflects back, the robot hears it and then uses the speed of sound to figure out how far away an object is that's reflecting sound. This particular setup on this particular robot, which is the McQueen Plus version 2.1 actually, we get it in centimeters. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to look for between 0 and about 7 centimeters distance. Anything closer than that, and we'll say there's a wall there. So let's turn it on to see how this works. And you can see what it's doing. It's checking to its left to see if there's a wall there. And if there is, it turns right to find an empty spot. Here we go around the wall. As we can see, it's checking to see if there's a wall, and then it finds the goal. So in this case, what we're looking for is to go from our starting point, which is here, headed to what we're going to call west. If north is this way, then this will be west. And we're going to call this 2, 2, meaning x is 0, 1, 2, and y is 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, x, 0, 1, 2, y. And our goal is going to be at 0, 0. So as we saw before, basically what it does is it makes sure it's against a wall on the left side. And it does that by using the rangefinder. So it's a fairly simple algorithm, as you just saw. We turn left, and then we start to turn right until we find an opening. In the case of there's already an opening to the left, we go forward. So let's look at that algorithm again. We turn left, and then we look for a wall, and we continue looking for the wall until we find an opening. So we're going to turn left, there's a wall, turn right, there's a wall, there's no wall. So we're going to look to the left, wall, wall, no wall. So here we go again, we're going to go look to the left, there's a wall, and we keep turning till we see there is no wall. And that's the left-hand rule. Okay, that's your project for today.